There's a style of faceless YouTube channel quietly exploding right now. The videos are nothing fancy, just simple, rough drawings that change every couple of seconds over a voiceover. But that simple format pulls in huge view counts, and here's the best part. The entire thing can be built with AI in under 20 minutes. In this video, I'll explain exactly how that mechanism works, step by step, so you can build one yourself. Let's get into it. First, why does this even work? These channels often have only a handful of videos, yet they can rack up millions of views, sometimes within weeks of starting. The reason isn't expensive production, it's the format. A strong story, a clear voice, and a brand new simple image every few seconds. That constant visual change keeps people watching, and watch time is exactly what the algorithm rewards most. So we're going to borrow that format, not anyone's actual videos. Studying what works and building your own version is smart. Copying someone's content is a strike. Keep that difference in mind. So how does the mechanism work? The whole system runs on two tools. The first is Claude Code, Anthropic's AI coding assistant, which you can run right from your desktop or terminal. The second is a generation engine connected to it through a skill called Higgsfield, which actually creates the images. Once they're linked, Claude Code can read your script and generate every visual for you automatically. Setting this up is simple. Install Claude Code, create your account, then connect the Higgsfield skill by following the install commands they give you. It's mostly copy, paste, and press enter. Do it once, and you're ready. Now to the workflow itself. Step 1 is your script. Pick a niche, history, space, mysteries, animals, whatever fits the kind of stories you want to tell, and write a script around it. You can write it yourself, use AI to help, or combine both. The only rule: hook the viewer in the first few seconds. Step 2 is the voiceover. Turn that script into audio. You can record your own voice, or use a natural-sounding AI voice. What matters most is that it sounds natural, and the content actually brings value. That's what keeps you safe and keeps people watching. Step 3 is where the mechanism really starts: transcription. Take your audio and run it through a free tool like TurboScribe, which gives you a few free transcriptions every day, more than enough. But here's the key question: why transcribe at all instead of just handing the script to the AI? One word: timestamps. When you transcribe a voiceover, you get the exact time each line is spoken. 0 seconds, 7 seconds, 15 seconds, and so on. Those timestamps are the secret that makes the whole thing automatic, because they tell the AI exactly when to generate each image. Step 4 is image generation. You give Claude Code one master instruction. Generate one image for every timestamp in the script. You also describe the style, and the trick with this format is to make the images look like extremely simple, rough drawings, like someone quickly sketched them by hand on a white background. Then you paste in your script with the timestamps and let it run. The AI reads through, finds every timestamp, and creates a matching image for each one. A short script might give you 40 images. A full one, well over 100. That means you'll have a fresh visual every few seconds. Step 5 saves the most time. Ask Claude Code to download all those images to your computer and rename each file to match its timestamp. So the image for 0 seconds is named 0, the one for 7 seconds is named 7, and so on. Instead of a messy folder of random names, every file tells you exactly where it belongs. Step 6 is assembly, and it's almost effortless. Open your video editor, drop in your voiceover, and drag each image onto the timeline using the timestamp in its file name. The 0-second image goes at the start. The 7-second image goes at 7 seconds. The 15-second one at 15. You're just lining them up by their names. No guessing, no scrubbing back and forth. In about 10 minutes, your visuals are perfectly synced to the voice. And that's the whole mechanism. The videos aren't fancy. They're literally simple drawings. But there are tons of them, changing every 2 or 3 seconds. That constant movement keeps people watching, and high watch time is what gets a video pushed to more people. With this system, you can build the whole thing from script to finished video in a fraction of the usual time. So pick your niche, write your first script, and let the automation handle the rest. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.